Honestly, I do not want to wet my entire hair. Nor do I want to straighten my entire hair because I'm going to wear this wig out tonight. I'm going to put some curls in it, so I don't want to fill this hair with so much product. But so I think what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take, I don't even want to take that much because that's a lot. So I'll probably take like that much, which I'll probably change it, and then I'll take here because I'm not gonna mess with it. I have reviewed this texture before with several other companies. I will say each company is different, each hairline is different, each lace is totally different. And I want to say this lace is definitely giving me meltdown for sure. I'm going to wet this side. So let's see what it do. And honestly, I'm expecting for the hair to straighten. Like that's, I mean, that's an easy thing. Okay, so it does straighten. My main concern with wigs like this is just making sure the hair actually curls back up and it blends in, you know, with the texture or whatever. I would say if you want like the hair to be bone straight, I would go through it like a couple passes. I would probably also blow dry the hair too, just to get a more straight look. Now originally, like I say, with this texture, the original texture was like a blowout texture. And then once I washed the hair, that's when it converted into this loose curl texture that you see here. The curls were a lot more defined, but as I was hot combing the hair and combing through the hair, those defined curls did get taken out during that process or whatever. Like, the one thing I do like about this texture is it definitely reminds me of my kinky texture that I love so much, except for it gives a lot more straightness. But it does add that density in there, as you can see. So, ooh, I was about to touch my hot comb. So if I wanted this hair to be flatter and more silkier and more smooth, I would just continue the process of adding more heat and just going in more so strand by strand. But that's not really what I'm going for in today's video with this look. But because this video is sponsored, I do have to show all the different looks with this wig. So okay, so this is the texture straightened. As you can see, it straightens really good. I don't have no issues with that. Okay, so this is what the texture looks like after you wash the hair. Again, once you get this wig in the mail, it is going to have a straight texture just like this. But it may have a little bit more fullness to it and a little bit more texture to it. And you can already see it's starting to wave up. But see that? Now, I'm going to tell you right now, you will get a lot more definition with this hair texture once you add like some sort of mousse or gel or something like that. I will say this texture is even more beautiful when the lace is nice and the lace is HD or transparent, and the pre-plucked hairline is always a bonus. Always, especially when it's done right. And one thing I will say is it was done right, because like y'all saw the video and I didn't go in and do nothing. I don't want to drench this hair, but I didn't go in and do nothing to the hairline like to be done. Okay, and here I am adding more mousse. You want your curls to really give, go in with the Extreme Hold Gel. Girl, let me tell you something. This gel will take your hair there, whether you are natural or you're wearing a wig. Girl, I'm telling you, this gel is what you need. If you know, then you know. Moment of truth. Is this hair going to curl back up? All right, so let's go. Okay, now one thing I will say about this texture, when you straighten the hair, especially like if you don't wash it, you will have to add product to your hair, because as you can see, it's not giving, like it's not doing anything. So I know this already from working with this texture before. So like, look at that, it's not doing nothing. But let me show y'all what it's gonna do once I add mousse. Like, look at that. Not a whole lot, but it's a lot. I'm heavy-handed. Girl, that's a lot. Why did I put all that mousse in my hair? Okay. And it's still straight, right? It's starting to bend a little bit. Mousse in there, girl. See, like it's starting. And you scrunch. So definitely a wig that you can straighten, you can wear curled, you can add curls, you can do whatever you want to this hair texture. I actually love this texture because you get like a 2-in-1 wig, especially like when it comes to cost nowadays. I think everybody wants something where they can get more bang for their buck, and with this type of texture you definitely can do that. Not even to mention like the type of lace this wig is on. So like if you in the market for a wig and you need a very nice, super melted, invisible wig install, is the wig that you definitely need. So I'm gonna make sure I have all of the purchasing information below. Yeah, this is today's look, and I will see you guys in the next video.